Okay. Oh, why is it the same one? Oh wait, I do see it, but it's see-through. Can you comment one more time?
Oh, left, wait.
Okay, that one's not as see-through,
Oh,
so I
okay.
think it's fine now. Okay. Okay, no one's watching. But
Hi.
we're making Korean corn dogs. Yes.
We are indeed.
Let me get my cutting board so we can cut the cheese.
Okay, so I guess we should get all this stuff from the batter first.
Okay, I hope it works. I'm scared.
Let's see. Water, flour, sugar.
Water.
Looking at Google.
My recipe was so different. Wait, where's my iPad?
I mean, I don't know. Yeah, just use yours.
Okay.
Did you like write it down?
Well, I just made sure I had all the ingredients for this recipe right here.
Good luck. I believe in you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, rat. Okay. Yeah. I have all of that. Oh my gosh, I was so scared it was gonna be on my Nanami photo. Scary.
Oh, okay. Weird.
I have milk. And then it just has one egg, right?
Yeah.
Wait, 2 people are watching. Who else is watching?
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Not me.
Oh yeah, I have a big one and a small one just in case we're like getting burnt.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And oh yeah, there's my collection of oil.
Oh, nice.
And then I have more oil here.
Bro got 3.
And then this is also oil. This is fancy oil.
Bro has 5 things of oil.
Wait, he just commented a rat.
Oh, that's crazy work.
Yeah, and I have different measuring cups too. Look at these, so cute.
That's so cute.
Got it at TJ Maxx. Okay. Hopefully I can like pour it into the cup.
Is this like 1 cup? What is this?
Yeah, it has the little measurements
Oh,
and
that's
stuff.
cute.
So you can crack the egg.
Okay.
And I'll get the flour.
Crack it in this bowl.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can crack it on
egg
the.
in the bowl.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was so amazing. Why does the egg look fake?
I
It
know,
looks
right?
like anime.
It probably is.
Oh.
We live in a simulation.
Okay. I'm adding 1 cup of flour. Oh. I'm gonna get flour all over me. Help.
Is it baking flour?
What other flour is there?
I don't know. It's just baking.
Well, yeah, I think so. Yes.
Oh wait, no, baking powder.
Oh, you thought you had baking powder.
Never mind.
Baking.
No, actually, there is baked flour and unbaked flour.
What is unbaked
Because
flour?
at like my work, I work at a milkshake place, and like
You put.
basically you have to like heat up the flour, and we use that for like the cookie dough.
I've never heard of that in my life.
Yeah, because we have edible cookie dough.
Period.
You should try.
So, yeah, don't dox yourself.
Yeah, I know, for real. Me almost saying the name.
Okay, how much milk? 3/4. Okay, so just fill the milk up to there. And that line. So, like, almost a cup. I'm trying to, like, evenly distribute the ingredients between the both of us.
So, wait, what am I doing?
Pouring.
3/4.
Yeah. So, like, almost a cup. Period.
Oh, yeah.
How do you feel on your first live stream?
I feel great. Wow, this is so real. Should we put the camera lower so they see what we're doing?
I feel like it wouldn't show our face then.
Oh yeah. Wait, that kind of is better.
Okay, yeah, my phone's gonna fall over. Okay, mix.
Okay. Oh, that just feels so weird.
Just mix it with
I
this.
don't like this. Okay.
How much baking powder? Oh, salt. Do you want like any other seasonings, like garlic, onion powder, pepper?
Maybe garlic would be good.
Okay. Oh, I was gonna.
Oh my god.
difference between which one's teaspoon and which one's tablespoon?
Oh, that teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. It's TBS is tablespoon.
Okay. I have to add 6 of these then, because it's a teaspoon.
Here it is. Wait, what? Oh, that's a tablespoon.
This is a teaspoon, but you said that was a tablespoon for sugar.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you did the math for that good.
Oh, wow, thank you.
I didn't even know that.
And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, okay. I really hope this works, I'm so scared.
Oh.
How are we crushing up the Takis?
Oh, you know, we can just step on the bag.
Buddy's gonna eat all the Takis.
Oh,
He's
wait,
gonna
no,
be
for
so
real.
confused.
He's gonna die.
He's gonna be like, what the hell are you guys doing? Okay, that was like easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Speaking of, actually, let me crush those. Here, you can do this.
Okay. Good luck.
Let's see. I'm gonna partially open it.
Oh, someone left.
Oh, we're not shutting up.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'll mix it in front of the camera to be more entertaining. This kind of doesn't look like a lot, but maybe it will be a lot. Oh! Should you like put a little air bubble in it or something?
Oh, I did.
Okay.
I'm crushing Takis, by the way. That's the sound.
Sounds like you're abusing my dog.
Oh. Never. Second.
I think so. I'll bring out a...
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
She rolls it out on a plate, right? Like the,
Oh, the Takis.
yeah. I don't know where to put
Beautiful plates.
the toffee powder on one plate and then the, whatever, the breadcrumbs or something on the other one. Oh, that did kind of work.
Oh, no, it's kind of thick.
Oh, it's
Let's
okay.
get that one.
Okay, I don't know where to put anything. I think this kind of works. Wait, no one can see anything. I'm gonna pour the batter into here.
What was it? No.
I think if I scrape it out, it's enough.
Yeah,
I have enough to make another one though, if it's not. It smells like garlic powder.
Oh gosh. I'm scared.
Okay, it kind of tastes like garlic powder because
Oh god. It's okay.
it tastes like sweet garlic powder.
You have scissors?
Yeah, hold on.
I don't want to like open random drawer.
It's like the drawer that's on my hip, right here. At the bottom, right there. Yeah. Do you think that's enough?
I guess we can see. Just if it's not, like, I mean, as long as it makes like at least like 5.
This is so much cheese.
So
I'm gonna be cutting the cheese now. When you do log in today, everything on your computer, you should stream it.
I should,
Yeah.
but I like don't have like the streaming.
You don't have to like film your face. You can just film your screen.
Oh, did I screen record it? Or something?
Yeah. Okay. I don't know how big this should be.
Will you be tuned in?
I will be tuned in.
Really?
Yeah, I don't have a job,
Oh,
so it's
I didn't
okay.
quit.
Do you think I should cut it larger, or is that?
Do Like, yeah.
Okay.
And then low-key, you could put like half that, yeah. The struggle.
My bad, bro. And then...
Half that one, yeah.
Okay. This is gonna be...
Yeah, it's gonna be really cheesy.
It's gonna be, like, more cheese than the chilies.
Right? No, the mozzarella
No, like,
sticks.
look at how big...
It's gonna be really good.
Okay, doesn't she roll it in flour? Like, on a plate? Wait, let me look. I have this screen recorded. Hello? Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know what that does, though. Maybe it makes it so the dough doesn't fall off.
I feel like that's like not necessary. Do you think we should do it?
I don't know. I think we should just because I'm scared that it won't work. Okay, you can pour some flour on the plate. The flour's just in there. This looks crazy.
That's kind of ghetto, but it's okay.
I feel like I could cut the sticks in half.
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna try because we have 25. Oh, hi Eric. All I will say is that you can always learn from your mistakes, ladies. Yes,
True.
yes. This is what the first one looks like with the mozzarella stick.
Compared to a hand, bro.
It's like, it's really big, but hopefully it works. Hopefully it's still
Yeah.
gonna taste good. I'm gonna try to cut this in half just to, because it just looks really long on here. I don't know. But it's okay. I'm scared.
Not a bending. It's bendable. Let me. Oh, you want scissors?
Well, I was bending it and then I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's like a lollipop.
I mean, maybe this will like suck, but I mean,
Yeah, that's better.
then we can make it. I don't know if that'll.
Yeah, the other strategy was better. Oh.
We're gonna burn ourselves so bad.
Yeah, this is gonna be bad. We're gonna need to go to the hospital.
Just set it on the flour.
Okay.
Cause I don't know where to put. I don't know where to put them.
I'll just like roll them in. I probably put like too much flour on this plate.
It's okay. I'm gonna dump a bunch of oil in the pan. What if I cut the cheese and put it on the sticks and then you put it in the dough and fry it while I'm doing that?
Okay.
Okay. There's so much stuff everywhere.
Oh, I need the pan too. Crap. I'm gonna move these over here.
Here's this. I'm gonna get a plate so you can just put all the corn on. You just put them all on here, and then here is I don't know where to set anything.
Oh, it's fine.
This stream is so interesting. Okay, she's going to try to fry the corn dogs while I'm.
And Abby gave me this sass.
Oh well, you know, I think he'll do good.
Thanks. Okay.
Watch it fall off the stick. We should probably wait for the oil to get hotter first, but it's okay.
Shit.
I'm gonna make the cheese a little smaller. I'm struggling to cut it. Do people your age still say cutting the cheese when someone farts, or did that stop? I've never heard that in my life, but
I've heard that.
Well, that's probably because I'm homeschooled.
Oh yeah, she's homeschooled and I was in public school, so
People said that at public school.
like an elementary school, not like higher than that.
Oh, okay.
And that came from like Diary from Kid.
I don't think I've ever watched that.
Oh, it's a book, and it's a movie too. But
Well, yes. Wait, did someone fart? Why did you say that?
Oh.
No, I'm kidding. It's just because of the cheese.
no.
I think these are like better sizes.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
These ones are just gonna be a little thick, you know?
Let me like turn the camera around. Wow, so beautiful.
Oh.
Oh my god.
You might have to do a little cleanup.
It's okay.
I'll help you clean.
Oh, did you see I had a corgi magnet?
Aww.
It's so cute.
So cute.
I wonder if my husband's still watching.
He probably would have been left. He was like, y'all are uninterested.
Wow, beautiful.
Wow, that's good. That's good. I'll put this. Oh my god.
Buddy, you have food.
Oh god. He's actually gonna eat it.
Was that the whole,
I think I know why she put the flour, because it's like not sticking well.
oh. Was that the whole bag of the, breadcrumbs?
No, I
Okay,
know
okay,
why.
good.
You were worried, like, oh, that's
She
not
said
enough.
cutting the cheese. Oh. I don't know how to stream when it's more than just me, so I'm sorry if this stream is very awkward.
And just talk about what you would usually talk about.
Well, I don't know what I talk about.
Oh.
I usually randomly trauma dump.
Oh. Oh, you can do that. Lore.
Well, I want to play the game A Date with Death,
Oh,
but
yeah.
there's a PG version and then there's an adult version, but I don't know if the adult version is too NSFW for Twitch.
Ooh.
So I'm kind of scared, but
Do you like the PG one?
But I want to see the adult version.
Oh my god.
But they're both free. So I could do one on Twitch and then one alone. But I feel like redoing the whole entire thing alone
It's
just
not
to
gonna
get
be,
to
like,
the
fun.
2 scenes would not be.
Yeah.
It's like not cooking.
I think it needs to be higher, yeah.
You can put this over there just in case you're like getting burnt.
Okay.
'Cause I have the little one, but then yeah. I can't believe Twitch won't allow the mods for Sims.
Right?
It was so sad.
Like what?
I didn't know Twitch was or not Twitch. The Sims was a single player game. I thought we could play it together.
Oh no.
I thought it was a multiplayer game. That was so sad.
Why? Yeah, no, it's not. But you can pretend that we're playing. You know, you
Like,
can
I
build
thought I
one.
saw people play like with 2 characters at the same time with their friend.
Oh,
So I
really?
thought it was a multiplayer. Oh, I think it's kind of cooking now.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. Cinematic. I'm scared the talkies are gonna like be burnt.
Oh, I don't know.
But
the
it's
talkies
okay.
aren't sticking well. I'm having to use my hands.
I think you got a text.
Oh, okay. Where?
Oh,
Oh.
over there.
Oh, that's like 360.
Oh. Ooh. I think this cheese is a lot more reasonable of a size.
Much better. Let me wash my hands.
Here's paper towels.
I had to put my whole finger up in those talkies.
Oh! Oh, they're actually cooking really fast.
Right? Help.
Good frying, thank you. I hope they turn out good because we have a lot of sticks. Wait,
Oh,
it's
you're
gonna
frying,
make
period.
it's gonna make like 50 now because I'm cutting them in half.
Oh gosh. You're gonna have some left probably. Or we can make more.
Or maybe there won't be enough cheese, I don't know. This is how much cheese is currently left. Maybe it's a good thing I bought the huge thing of cheese then. Oh.
My hair. My hair's
Oh my
not
gosh,
fine,
it's-
but ah! Oh, it's working though. But shit.
The dough's falling off of that one a little bit, but it's okay.
Oh. The talkies.
Oh my gosh, the cheese is gonna start melting.
No, like
It's-
actually, when you take it out.
I
really soon.
yeah, I think take that one out. Watch it be like raw.
No. Like no cheese pull whatsoever.
Is there a cheese pool when you go to Chili's? There's not when I go.
What?
No, there's no cheese pool when I go.
That's not normal. Not okay.
The Takis are burning.
Oh my god. Oh.
You can turn it down a little bit if it's too high.
Oh, they're stuck together. Guys, this is so bad.
Wait, it's falling off.
I can't. Oh my god. Just stick a different one in there.
Wait, they're all falling off.
Oh god.
That one needs to be flipped.
Maybe we shouldn't have cut those. Literally, hell, we need more dough too, bro.
Oh.
This is a mess.
Get cooking.
Bro.
Oh.
What even goes in there? Let me take this one out.
Wait, buddy, come here.
Buddy got scared.
Buddy, come here. You can do it on the floor now.
Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna stop this.
Okay.
I'm just gonna
This is a mess.
pause that.
Okay.
At least you know this. Okay.
This is sugar. There's a teaspoon in here. This is baking powder.
Okay.
She's gonna be cooking. She's gonna make the rest of the dough on the floor while I'm cutting cheese.
This is not sanitary.
No, it's okay. I cleaned before you got here.
Don't try this out.
You could cook on the table, but we have all of our
Oh my god.
our
How
shopping
much
haul.
of this is in here?
I don't know. It's enough for a cup. Or you could double the recipe. Wait, wait. The recipe's on my iPad. Hold on. Wait, this is a mess.
It's funny, right? It's not.
You could just double the recipe.
Oh my god. It's on the floor.
There you go.
Hey guys. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Oh, he's laughing.
My husband's gonna rejoin and be like, "What's happening in there?"
Oh my god. 2 teaspoons. Where's the teaspoon?
In the sugar.
Oh.
Is anyone else commenting anything?
No.
Are those crying emojis or laughing emojis?
Laughing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ooh. What am I doing? Salt. Sugar.
Oh. Here's I'll pour some. Okay.
Oh. And then milk, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're gonna get dirt in there.
Oh god. You know, never hurt nobody. Building the immune system.
My mom energy.
Give me 4 steps now. I kind of just put like random measurements in here, bro.
You know, it's okay. It'll be good enough. I'm trying to put the sticks further in.
Yeah. I think that's why I was grabbing it by the stick too. But
Like, look at how little this cheese is. I think that will be
Oh
better.
yeah, that's better.
Cheese halt. That looks so. Wait, there we need an egg.
Oh, that's probably it's probably important. Let's crack it. Yeah.
Here you go.
Hey, yeah.
I'll take it.
Thanks.
Wow, so beautiful. Wait, someone else said something. What does it say?
Oh. Laughing and crying are almost the same. They just show everyone how much attention you're paying. They show everyone how much attention you're paying.
I'm trying to look at the emoji that he used.
Oh,
Oh wow,
That's
period. Thanks, Eric.
that's poetic. Oh my god. I don't know if the egg was supposed to even be in here, bro.
Well, it's okay.
Okay, you know, it looks fine. It looks doughy. Enough, right? Maybe I need some more flour.
I like how you're DIYing the recipe when the recipe's right in front of your face. Oh my gosh.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Maybe you're not gonna want to take any home.
No, it's gonna be really good. Right.
Right,
One
Eric?
viewer. Oh, 2 viewers. Oh, hey,
Wait, who
we're on
else
the floor.
joined? I made the cheese smaller. This should work.
Don't ask why I'm on the floor. So, next. Where does this go?
Drop my phone, you're dead.
Frying helps get rid of germs. Oh, period. See? Germs.
Yeah.
We're not gonna have any germs.
It's okay, I eat mold.
Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot you did that.
Yeah. And I eat food I'm allergic to, so
She's
it's
like
okay.
not lying. Like this is actually like for real.
Oh yeah, because when I made hibachi, the viewer that's in here, I was like, oh yeah, I'm allergic to everything, but it's okay, I'm gonna eat the hibachi anyways.
Oh my god. They were probably so concerned.
I hear Buddy crying.
He wants to be a part of it. If we move this up off the floor, we could.
He would start attacking everything.
He's gonna be like, oh, that smells good.
These kind of just look like mini Chili's cheese sticks right now.
Oh, they do.
But like the Dollar Tree version.
Oh. Oh, the mini one. They're so cute.
Hello, other person. There better be some taters. No, it's just cheese. It's just we were trying to make Korean corn dogs. Probably maybe working. I don't know. You need to flip it already.
Oh, shit.
I think you need to turn it down. Yeah, but I'm making the cheese a little bit smaller because it was kind of falling apart and it wasn't.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm so scared. Let me turn the camera around. Wow, beautiful. Watch it like me burn my phone and I start. That was so scary.
We're gonna literally come out of this with like 90-degree burns.
You're gonna go home today looking like you just went to war. I can't believe the Dollar Tree didn't have these, but Michael's did.
No, right?
That was so sad. I can't believe he took us to the arts and crafts section for
He
it.
was so confident. I didn't want to hurt him.
I have expired Blue Talkies if you want to use those too.
Actually, that could work because I'm running out.
They taste expired though.
Like, in what way?
Just, you can try one.
Hold on.
Okay. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Wait, I think the other one needs to be, oh my god.
Oh, this one's beautiful.
It's staying on better.
Yeah, that's better. Okay.
Beautiful. Oh, I thought that you opening the Takis with the oil falling everywhere.
Oh.
It freaked me out.
Let me just try one and see.
If you don't like it, you can just throw it away because it's like really stupid. Okay.
Oh, wait, bad? What bag?
Yeah, you can just throw it away. I didn't eat them fast enough.
No. I'm watching it. Right.
Oh, my commented.
Oh, what?
Is the fan on? Hello? Okay, there we go. He told me to turn on the fan.
Oh, in case.
Oh my gosh, that's black.
So that's all the coffee ones.
I wanted that. Here, you guys can pretend to eat it. Oh, someone left. I'm sorry.
Oh, he wanted the Takis?
I think so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But I think he left. Or maybe Eric left, I don't know. Or my husband left. Someone left. I don't know. Here's these two. I'm scared for you.
Yeah, well, that was crap.
Okay.
How many are you making?
As many as I can.
Oh my god, with all that cheese.
I'm just gonna use up all of these.
Oh god. Ah! It came apart. The shell.
I'm gonna walk away, I'm scared. Wait. I'm here, I'm also doing music stuff. Cool! I can't wait until you make more original music and stuff and post it because it sounds really good. That looks good. I'll probably run out of cheese before I use up all the skewers, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. At least you
We
can...
got corn dogs for everyone.
At least you can take a lot home.
No, for real.
I don't think my husband ate today, so he better like these.
He's gonna be really disappointed.
I like how Okay, it's working. This is like the most unhinged stream I've ever done. Cause it's, oh my god, it's so flat. I think your Maki cursed spirit. I think you cursed my phone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, with your Maki powers because. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is falling apart. Listen to music. Ah, oh crap.
Oh.
It's touching. Ah!
I think I'm done. Because.
Yeah, I'm done too. It's a lot.
Yeah, I don't think anything else is gonna fit on the plate.
What about these?
Oh, we'll finish those. We can finish those ones, but I won't make any more.
Yeah, probably good.
Yeah,
You
because
keep the cheese for later.
Yeah.
Who knows when you might need a block of cheese.
I'll put it on Bulldog.
Yeah, actually, good idea.
Mm-hmm. Let me get out of plastic. Oh, there's another viewer. Hello. I'm so sorry my stream keeps messing up. I don't know what was happening. Apparently I was mute.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had boba.
Oh.
We can just sit on that table down there to
Okay.
eat because like everything's kind of like a mess on the kitchen table. Oh, beautiful. Oh, he said the queen is back.
Oh,
That's so funny.
Baddie.
I think
Baddie shot us off.
I'll bring Buddy out now because I have everything else before.
Okay.
Buddy, eat that.
Look at his clean up.
Like he's cleaning it up.
He's the cleaning crew.
Are you wearing fleece tights? They look
yeah.
like fleece tights. How are you not dying?
No, they're like fake fleece.
Oh,
It's
okay,
like
okay.
jean. So it's supposed to be fleece tights, but yeah.
Oh.
My god. Oh my god. This one's so messed up. Okay, I'm done. Oh, my eyes are burning.
Oh.
No. Because this is the oil.
This is so messy.
Oh wait, I forgot I knew that.
This?
The spatula thing.
Oh.
The tongs. Oh, it's wet. Oh.
It's okay.
It's not gonna mix more, right?
It's fine. It's fine.
I just gonna say that. I told you.
Well, I don't have any more.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Ooh. We're getting the most dangerous job.
We're going to.
Like,
We're in a
genuinely.
war zone.
I can't. Here you go.
not eat the flour on the ground.
You said that's not good.
Oh, is this all gone?
Is it?
Let me see. There's like this much left. You want me to throw it away?
Yeah, you can throw it. I'm probably never gonna eat it.
Okay.
The way that's blurred my eyes.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Oh, okay, sugar. Let's put some sugar
Here's
on
the
there.
wait, let me get the plate so you can.
Let me like actually fully wash my hands.
He's gonna come in the kitchen and be like, "What did you do?"
The war zone.
And here's the ketchup and mustard.
Okay, but I suppose 3 for now.
Okay.
Put some sugar on it. My eyes are like burning because of the oil. Oh.
Right when I started cleaning by the oil, my eyes started burning too.
Yeah, like what the heck? I didn't know it could do that. You want ketchup, mustard on yours?
Yes.
Oh. Can I open it? Can you open it?
There you go.
Oh.
And I'll put some for my husband.
I hope he likes them. You want some sugar on them?
I'll just put some ketchup on the side
Okay.
because he doesn't like mustard.
Oh, what's his name?
Oh wait, wait, that's not even the right ketchup.
Oh.
Okay, my bad.
Bro. Here.
Okay. I'll give these ones to him, Gary. Okay, that was really good.
Oh, buddy. Please. He said it's good?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Oh, good.
I'll show it on the stream and then I'll end the stream.
Okay.
Okay, okay. For the one person watching, this is what it looks like. Amazing. Okay, bye.